Bootstrap, bootstrap, bootstrap. How many times did you hear this word? How many people told you that you should start learning Bootstrap? So, in this lesson, the first lesson in Bootstrap tutorial, I will explain what is the meaning of Bootstrap, how we can use Bootstrap, why we use Bootstrap, the alternative of Bootstrap, and finally, can we use CSS and Bootstrap together? So, keep watching to know the answers. So let us start by what is the meaning of Bootstrap. Bootstrap is an open source toolkit for developing HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Bootstrap is the most popular CSS framework, and the newest version of Bootstrap is 4, and that's what we will explain in this tutorial. Now, why we use Bootstrap? Bootstrap can create a responsive web page easily and in no time. But what is the meaning of responsive? Responsive means that you have to make your page suitable for big screen size like PC, medium screen size like tablet, and finally small screen size like phone. What is the alternative of Bootstrap? You can learn CSS3 and Flexbox also will help you to create responsive pages. Finally, can we use Bootstrap and CSS together? Of course you can. So now let we create something to see how we can use Bootstrap. So here let we create a division, just empty division, and give it a class equal to root, and then let we add some styles. So dot root, let we add a background color aqua, and make height so we can see it, make it 30 pixels. Let we see now. So here is the division. So if we increase or specify the width just to be 90% of the screen, so it will be fine. But if we have elements and we add a padding for those elements, for example 30 pixels, so as you see there is a horizontal scroll bar showing up. This means that the page now it's not responsive for small screen sizes, but for medium screen size it will be responsive, and of course for full screen size. But how we can fix this issue? I can't see the whole content in the page, so Bootstrap will end this problem. So let me see how we can add Bootstrap to our page. So here is bootstrap.com, and let me start with documentation, and here is a starter template. You can use it, just copy the code and paste it in your page and start typing the code within the body. So we already have a template, so I will just copy the CDN links. So here is the style sheet link, copy it and paste it here below the head, and the same thing with JavaScript links. So now we are ready to use Bootstrap. Let me see if there is any difference. Nice. So now the division is suitable for small screen size, but also the space from top has been removed. So it's a default in Bootstrap until we specify a margin tab. So margin tab, and make it, for example, 30 pixels. Nice. Now just remain to add the Bootstrap classes to style the element. We can remove here the CSS style and start styling using Bootstrap, and that's what we will explain in the next lessons. So I will just give you a Bootstrap class called container. This container will center the element like this. So now it's responsive for all screen sizes and also center. Nice. So that's the benefit of using Bootstrap. I didn't make any effort to make the page responsive. And also it's a proof that we can use Bootstrap and CSS together. But in the next lessons, we will learn the classes that we can add to style the elements. So that's everything in this lesson. I hope I could answer all the questions that you have. So good luck and see you next time.